So we just wanted to say hi from South Dakota.
Watch the road.
We love it. We're having a great time. We've had a wonderful trip, and God has provided wonderful weather. All right, now let me give it to you. I can hold it on you.
It just went.
All right.
Okay, we're back. This is really dangerous. Like, we probably shouldn't be doing this while we're driving in a blizzard. But we've had a great trip. We took off from right outside of Indianapolis about 7:30 this morning with the weather forecast being blizzard conditions all around. And we just prayed. And within 45 minutes of praying, like, the crazy wind stopped and the sun broke out and the skies cleared up and God was just with us the whole trip. It's just been really, really awesome. And now we're about 20 minutes from home. So we're here in South Dakota and looking forward to having a great time. Peace.
We had the fastest speed limit in South Dakota. The speed limit is 75, and I'm driving about 65 because of the weather.